This day guys, as you all know me, as I'm into Nasdaq news. So guys, I'm gonna do it here just now. No. So yeah guys, I just wanna trade Nasdaq live. Nasdaq live. I'm not pretty sure if I'm gonna trade Nasdaq live or USDT live, but you know when I see Nasdaq, I just see like a perfect entry point there. Hey, but bruh, when you say perfect entry point, I'm actually speaking of the entries where I just entered. Nah, that's not a perfect entry point. Like, have you ever entered a trade and judge yourself as well? Like, I don't know if you guys do that. Me, I judge myself on every trade I enter. You know, believe me or not, you just have to judge yourself on every trade that you enter. Understand? So let's see what's really happening here. Yeah, I think in no time we're just gonna be seeing what is it that the market is going to do. So but this thing is buying, bro. I know this thing is buying now. It's buying like more, man. Okay, cool. So the most important thing that we need to see we ate the sells here going to the bottom side, but now you see the market is pushing to the top side. So I just want to see on 60 minutes time frame is this trend line of mine, that touch, being valid? Yeah, it is valid. It is valid. So I see a third touch here that already has occurred because the market touched and pulled to the bottom side, which might be a buy. Then we're gonna push to USDT and see what is that USDT is doing. Here we're looking for selling opportunities if it comes below this, and it's below it. I think for selling sells, we can start looking for selling opportunities. So sometimes I like seeing what is the robot entering, before I send the direction of the market. So I can just ask and see what is the robot entering. Because if I don't check what is it that the robot is entering, it's kind of like an issue a bit. So the most important thing is just to check what is it that the robot is entering, so I can be in the right direction with the robot. Let's say it's any important. Okay, I shall go for them. Message. Because hey guys, Sonic is so powerful, guys. Sonic is so powerful. So sometimes before I make decisions, I want to see what is it that it's taking, so I can be able to think as well. Yeah, when it comes to Sonic is great. You just have to be making sure that it enters the direction. It's so hot, dude. I don't know why, but it's super hot. I think USDT could buy here. But no, if the market is selling, man, what is the point of you buy? I know we love buys, but sometimes a reason of taking a buy on a selling market, it's what is it that actually says it's a buy? Let me check something. Let me use my old school. So we don't sell Nasdaq immediately. We don't sell Nasdaq immediately. We're gonna sell Nasdaq at 1351. At 1351. Understand? So we're not going to sell it immediately. 351. 331. That's where we actually take a direction of the market. Understand? So for now, we're just gonna let it move and we see where is it actually going. But the direction of USDT, we need to discuss it as soon as possible. But I like the fact that it's selling, so I think we just have to take sales here. What is BTCSD doing? BTSD has to come back here. There's entry point here. Okay, DEX. You see, you're buying. There's something about you that gives you a buy. You're buying. You're even here, bro. You're buying, and you're actually coming here. So since you're buying, then USDT sell. Clean. We missed this one, guys. I'm buying you guys a drink. Understand? I'm not gonna miss this one. I ain't missing this one. I'm not a misser. I'm a scorer. So we're gonna get this one correct. I'm getting this one correct. No other way. So let's go for sell USDT. Stop loss is 47609. For myself, guys, see, this is not a financial advice. This is what I'm entering. And if you enter, make sure that you enter at your own risk management, and we should be consulting to a financial advisor. I hope and believe we heard each other correctly. We are sizobhayizisana. I don't want a person saying, "Oh, it's because of Ninja," and then now you do your own thing. Me, you are just watching me. Understand? I don't give you any advice. I'm not saying you should join where. It's you there. Understand? So, disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. The information shared here is for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make sure you consult with financial advisor before making a decision. Don't say I didn't say that, please. I worked hard to be here, guys. So I'm fully drama. Ain't nothing that you do in life that includes me. So many calls. What's up? But I'm pushing. Get the point. So I see pushile manje. You see how it's selling? You're selling like more, man. Selling like more. Well, even Nasdaq, it's kind of like dropping as well. So we're just gonna tackle Nasdaq USDT, guys. But you see already we are in this pips. Just put our take profit somewhere here. Hey, mind your one. Yes, and then put our take profit here. And then Sila. Let's see what 1530 has, you know. Let's see what 1530 has. Let's see what 1530 has. Get the point. Let's see what 1530 has. Those are the most important thing, bro. Let's see. So you just open and stop, bro. Like, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? When Nasdaq is buying, it means USDT is selling. If USDT is selling, then Nasdaq is buying. So it's one of the two. You see, USDT is kind of like looking to push up. So they can push up together. I mean, I don't know, is it because of it's Monday? Them pushing together up. Nasdaq is buying, bro. Why are you buying as well? You know, when Nasdaq is buying, I'm selling USDT. That's how I trade this thing. Nasdaq is buying, when USDT is buying with Nasdaq, then it's a versa, bro. This one is just coming here for the resistance, yeah. Okay, they're refusing us to sell with that. Let's reduce the lot size. And then we're selling USDT. Only 2 trades, USDT. Hey. There's a new broker's coming, guys. This things of this one's allowing us to enter trades that they feel like we should enter. It's not going to work. Nasdaq, the entry point, it's right here. Like I told you, we enter Nasdaq at 51. This is the right time of entering Nasdaq. Clean. I'm putting it here. My stop loss, take profit here. But sisazobamba. Understand? So clean job. You just have to hold, guys. You just have to hold. No other way, guys. USDT is already dropping. USDT is already dropping. It's already dropping. We need to break this low. We need to break this low. So yeah, that's trading, guys. That's trading. Trading is like this, guys. Nothing much more, you know. This is what we're facing every day. Understand? So let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Where's Nasdaq? Nasdaq here. We have our first charge, second touch, third touch. Yes, it's been respected a bit, but I still wish that it can come back somewhere here if it wants to break this market. So yeah, let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. This is how the market really moves, guys. This is how the market really moves. This is how the market really moves, guys. This is how the market really moves. I'm so tired, but I have to work. I'm tired, but I need to work, you know. That's the nicest thing about me. I know myself, right? Whether I'm tired or what. Spanning is shy. Spanning is shy, just spanning is shy. Spanning is shy. Yo! I can't tell you, sis. I'm super tired. Are you guys? How are you guys feeling? Let me check with you, chat. No risk, no worry. Yes, spar me one way, bro. Like, yo, bro, like, I'm so tired, brother. Like, I realize that sometimes it's not all about what you do with your hands, but what you do with your brain matters as well. Understand? Because I didn't do anything with my hands, but everything I've been doing with my brain, now I can feel it, bruh. It's doing the most now. No, those things are buying together, gents. Yo. What is the message saying, bro? Stock future rises to start November trading. Stock future rises, gents. Stock future rises. So that's actually a buy for Nasdaq, yeah. That's a buy for Nasdaq. Those are the things that you need to check when you trade. They just told you now. I check small things, guys, when I trade. I check small things. Understand? When you trade, you just check small things. Now they say stock future rises to start trading. S&Px future rises. So that's a advice. But USDT, it's coming to retest here. And the next thing we just somehow see selling opportunities here. You are retesting right now. Nasdaq, I feel like Nasdaq is going to break this trend because it already respected the third touch. Understand? So now the only thing that it has to do is just to break this trend. That's one of the main things. Understand? Because this was the third touch. It came below. Now it's looking forward to break it. So before we could hit our stop loss, we just have to exit the trade as soon as possible, because you know now it's looking forward to break this trend, man. You can see the buy sensitivity are so strong. Once it breaks this layout, we are pushing with it on the top. No other way. It's looking forward to break it. You will see. Then what is DXY doing? DXY is dropping, so which is Nasdaq is buying. So Nasdaq, if it breaks this, and the market is not that volatile. I don't know if it's me who sees it. It's not like that heavily volatile today, you know. Maybe it's because it's Monday, you know, but it's going to break this lay. Understand? Just have to watch it. It's gonna break it just now. And once it breaks it, it's halala. Understand? The only way that it needs now is just to break it. If it breaks it, it's gone. Understand? If it breaks it, it's gone. That's the only thing that we need to be looking forward to. You know, if it breaks, guys, we're entering a buy. Stop loss here. If it breaks this trend line, we're gone, because the third touch has already been respected. If it breaks this trend, so entry point has to be like this. If it breaks it, it's a third touch. So on the third touch, we're playing with ifs because we're not pretty sure. You understand? It's a third touch. It's a third touch. So probably it can respect it. Probably it might not respect it. But you see now it's touching it and playing around. It's another story now. But the only thing that I want to see is it breaking this trend line and then closing outside it, and that's when we're going to start pushing to the top side. So this is our third touch here. It respected it a bit and then got a momentum here to push to the top side. So probably it could be pushing to this point here. You see now it's breaking it, but breaking it's when you close outside. You understand? You're not breaking because you're playing around it. It has to close outside it. You see, it has to close outside. As much as it hasn't closed outside, then trust me, they haven't yet broken. Let's see Dogecoin, what is it that it's doing? Dogecoin is trying to pull through as well, which is not a bad thing. It's a nice thing. Understand? You see, the third touch is being respected. The third touch is being respected, but I'm not pretty sure. I'm not pretty sure. Yeah, the third touch is being respected. Yo, what a big confusion, bro. This thing is respecting this trend line here, the third touch one. So as much as it's playing around this point, the only way we can know it's when it closes outside. So if it's still playing around this is probably so strong, bro. This is strong. Yes. If only I could know. And then gold as well, you just wait for it to break this top and then you're gone. I like the strategy of this bro. Break the last low, then you push. Oh, times have changed. Times have changed. Times have changed, bro. Times have changed. Times have changed. Bro. The times have changed. Yo. I don't know what it changes, ne? They know what it changes, no, ne?
You wanna leave it the story? Adi correct.
Debia. NFP. Yeah, it changes now.
And then Jotilona is like a 4 to 5.
Oh, gosh. Hey, I forgot, bro. But I'm busy seeing the market not moving, so hey, bro, this thing is not moving. But I don't move like this. Yo. As well, I'm trying to withdraw. No withdraw, actually. So guys, I think I'm gonna come back 15:30, guys, because you see I didn't see the time zones have changed. So now is the time where we need to wait. Yeah, I think times have changed, guys. Times have changed. You understand? Times have changed and there was nothing we can do about that. Yo, I'm so fucking tired. I don't know if you can see that, bro. Like, imagine now I have to wait for 4. Ooh. You understand? So we just left it 1 hour, and everything will be cool. So it means the trade that I entered and the decision that I took, they're invalid now because of time, bro. Time. Times have changed. I'm super tired. So let's meet again around 4, guys. Let's meet again around 15:30 so we can operate. You see that Nasdaq is breaking the trend. Actually here now it means it's technical. Yeah, it's breaking the trend. It's technical now. It's technical now. It's breaking the trend and it has to come here now. We're gonna make decisions somewhere there. So if it can reach it before 15:30, then we're gonna jump in the sells here on 15:30. What is USDT doing? USDT is still at the same place. All we have to do is just to hold. We have no choice. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Gonna come back, guys. Gonna come back, guys. Let me go rest a bit, and then I'm gonna come back. Yes, it's no more 15:30. It's 16:30.